Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am at Michael's and I wanted to give you a quick look at their Recollections Halloween stuff. My store did not get very much of the Tim Holtz in, so I'm just not even going to show that because it's not even really worth showing. But they do have some cute stuff here at this store that my other store does not have yet. Okay, so there's your washi. And then we have stamps and dies. Looks like they've sold out of a lot of this stuff already. Or they just didn't get very much in. I don't know. Okay, let me try to get this out here. So we have, this is so hard to do, guys. That one. For stickers, they're stickers. See what I mean? It's really hard whenever they have them stacked up like that. Oh, there's another one. There's 3 on this one. Here we go. That's easier. Much easier. Okay, and then we have pumpkin dies. That's kind of cute for $5.99. And then they have the bats. So you can make shakers out of these guys. We have stencils. You want to get the little one? You know what I did not check to see if they had something else in the back. They don't. Okay, so here is all the bling. I'll show you the bling. Now my store did have the bling. Look at this cat. Look how cute. And then we have these stickers down here. Back. Okay. Now I did pull these because I'm purchasing these. It's a sticker pack and it goes with the Pinkaboo paper. Okay, so we have that one and then we have this one, Witching Hour. Okay, and then we have the X-ray paper pad. And guys, this feels good. How many pieces? 24 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see them because they are taped down. But we have that. We have this called the Green Witch. Love these colors. Okay, and then we have this one called Halloween Party. And up next is Pinkaboo. Okay, and then we have the Pinkaboo. I don't know what is on the row below us. It may be some of the same. I'm having to get down on the floor, guys. Sorry. No, they are different. So here's another pad of the X-rays, and this one is larger. This is like, I don't know what size this is, like 8 by 8, I think. It's the same size as this. Yes, 8 by 8. So this is called Happy Halloween. Okay, and then we have Spook Hill. Oops. Okay, and then we have an assortment, and these are $1.99 US, and it's just a large assortment of different stamps here. I don't know if I showed this one. This one's kind of cute. I think I did. Or there may have been it was a different pumpkin. And then, of course, you have some that are the rectangular dies or stamps. I'm not sure if there is anything else. If there is, I will attach it to this video. Thanks for joining me, guys.